Hey guys! I'm so excited to share with you 20 low-calorie foods that can help you burn fat fast. I've been experimenting with these in my own kitchen, and I can't wait to show you how they can transform your meals. Dieting can be tough, but don't worry, I've got your back. Today, we're going to explore a world of delicious, filling options that'll keep you satisfied without packing on the calories. All right, let's talk about why low-calorie foods are so amazing for weight loss. You see, when we're trying to shed those extra pounds, creating a calorie deficit is key. But nobody wants to feel hungry all the time, right? That's where these low-calorie superstars come in. These foods are packed with nutrients, fiber, and water, which means they keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, many of them require more energy to digest than they contain, giving your metabolism a little boost. It's like a win-win situation for your body and your taste buds. Now let's kick things off with some awesome alternatives to those carb-heavy staples we all love. First up, we've got shirataki noodles, guys. These are a total game changer. Next on our list is slim rice. This stuff is incredible. We're talking just 9 calories per 100 grams. Regular brown rice, that's about 110 calories for the same amount. Slim rice is perfect for bulking up your meals without bulking up your waistline. You can use it just like regular rice in stir fries, curries, or as a side dish. It's all about making those smart swaps, All right, now let's talk veggies, the ultimate low-calorie heroes. First up, steamed vegetables. Next, let's chat about cucumbers. These cool customers are 97% water, making them incredibly low in calories. And don't forget about zucchini. It's another veggie superstar. At just 17 calories per 100 grams, it's a great low-cal alternative to pasta. You can spiralize it, grill it, or bake it. The options are endless. These are perfect for snacking, adding to salads, or even using as a base for low-cal sandwiches. You can pair them with those shirataki noodles or slim rice we just talked about for a super filling low-cal meal. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and minerals your body needs. Now, let's talk about sugar-free Jell-O. This stuff is a lifesaver when you're watching your calories. Another great option is sugar-free gum. It's not just for fresh breath. Chewing gum can actually help curb your appetite between meals. Plus, the act of chewing can keep your mouth busy when you're tempted to snack. Just make sure to choose sugar-free varieties to keep those calories down. Remember, it's all about making smart choices that keep you on track with your goals. Let's move on to some fruity goodness, starting with watermelon. This summer favorite is a weight loss superstar. Now let's talk about kiwi. These little green gems are not only delicious, but also great for weight loss. One kiwi has just 42 calories, and get this. Studies have shown that eating kiwi might even improve your sleep quality. And we all know how important good sleep is for maintaining a healthy weight, right? So next time you're reaching for a snack, why not grab a kiwi? All right, now let's explore the world of leafy greens and cruciferous veggies. First up, lettuce. I know it might sound boring, but hear me out. Next, let's talk about bok choy. This Chinese cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse, and it's 95% water, making it super low in calories. It's great in stir fries or soups, and it adds a nice crunch to your meals. And don't forget about watercress. Not only is it low in calories, but some studies suggest it might even improve exercise performance. How cool is that? Now I know what some of you might be thinking, but won't all these low-calorie foods be bland? Not at all. Let's talk about some flavorful options that won't break your calorie bank. First up, pickles. And hey, let's not forget about diet soda. Now I know it's not for everyone, but some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners might actually be more effective for weight maintenance than sugar-sweetened drinks. Of course, water is always the best choice, but if you're craving something fizzy, a diet soda can be a good low-calorie option. Let's dig into some root vegetables and condiments that can add flavor without adding tons of calories. Now let's talk condiments. Mustard, hot sauce, horseradish. These are all great low-calorie options for adding flavor to your meals. And if you're a ketchup fan, look for reduced sugar versions. Oh, and don't forget about low-calorie salad dressings. These little swaps can make a big difference in your overall calorie intake without sacrificing flavor. All right, let's talk about some fruits you might not immediately think of when it comes to low-calorie options. First up, tomatoes. Yeah, I know, technically they're a fruit, And speaking of tomatoes, let's not forget about celery. It's often overlooked, but at just 14 calories per 100 grams, it's a fantastic low-cal option. It's got a high water content, which means it'll help keep you feeling full. Plus, that satisfying crunch makes it a great snack option when you're craving something crispy. Now let's put some of these ingredients together and make a super low-calorie meal. How about a homemade tomato soup? You can make this with canned tomato juice, some chicken stock, and your favorite seasonings. It's warm, comforting, and incredibly low in calories. Plus, it's so much better than the canned stuff. Another great idea is to combine shirataki noodles, cauliflower rice, and a mix of low-calories vegetables. Throw in some spices or a bit of low-sodium soy sauce, and you've got yourself a filling, flavorful meal that's seriously low in calories. It's all about getting creative with these low-calorie ingredients. All right, let's talk about something that's often overlooked when it comes to weight loss water. Staying hydrated is crucial when you're trying to lose weight. Not only does it help keep you feeling full, but drinking water before meals can actually help reduce your overall calorie intake. So, don't forget to keep sipping throughout the day. Planning is crucial when you're trying to stick to a low-calorie diet. Try prepping your meals in advance. It'll make it so much easier to stay on track. And don't forget to keep some of these low-calorie snacks on hand for when hunger strikes. You know, being prepared is half the battle. While these low-calorie foods are great for weight loss, don't forget about exercise. Even just a 30-minute walk each day can make a big difference. Combine these foods with regular physical activity, and you'll be well on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. Remember, it's all about balance and finding what works for you. And there you have it, guys. These 20 low-calorie foods can really help supercharge your weight loss journey. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes and finding what works for you. If you want more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to a healthier you.